Cassie, and today we have a haul for you. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here, so head on and subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. These are pieces to last, okay? These are pieces that I'm going to work and rework and wear for seasons and seasons to come, which is the aim with luxury items. But I'm very excited. We have got Prada, Burberry, a brand I've never heard of. I'm also going to style these as we go. All of the links to all of the items and all of the looks will be below. I'm going to start off with a brand I've previously never heard of. And the brand is Dorothy Schumacher, I believe is the correct pronunciation. German. I was scrolling through the pages, and to be very honest with you, I was looking for a black skirt, okay? We know I've been in love with that one Versace one, and even with the 50% off, I'm sorry, like, I'm still waiting for somebody to buy it for me because I would rather not pay that money myself. So I was looking for a black skirt, and there are specific styles that I like, and this one it's actually a SKORT. Okay, and can we do more SKORTs, please? Because we love a little bit of the unexpected, and I'm sorry, a skirt/short situation? Hello. So this is like a wall, like very nicely tailored. This is just such a perfect go-to. I'm gonna call it a skirt, okay? Skirt for me, because it's not too short, it's not too long. It also is very versatile. You could do trainers with it, you could do heels and all of that, which I love and respect when my clothes can do both. Get you a girl that can do both. So really love this really nice and light fabric. Lara who? Cassie Croft, all right? Hello. This vibe gives me, she's cute, she's serving us a look, but she's also ready for action should things go awry, all right? Why do we love a SKORT? For many reasons, but one of which I don't need to worry about a Marilyn Monroe moment when I'm just trying to live my best life. Wind is out to get us, and should it blow in the wrong direction, joke's on you, wind. Not today, not today. Oh, who is she? Who is she? Because she's serving us looks, but at the same time, I know I don't want to mess with her. And it's a vibe I endorse. Oh, so you want a date night look? Okay, Paris, Texas boots. I think that this goes so well with just a simple white shirt with the SKORT just tying it together. Give us a little bit of sparkle. That will still go, yes it does, on the shoulder. Good evening, sir. This skirt is just so versatile, I'm absolutely here for it. This video is sponsored by Farfetch. All of my haul items I got from Farfetch. I'm so honoured that they continue to work with me, and that means that I have for you a code, and don't we love a good discount? So Farfetch is basically a luxury online retailer, but they do luxury, but you could also get like home stuff and like workout trainers there. Like, there's everything on Farfetch, okay? They basically provide an online platform for boutiques all over the world. So the pieces that I got today, a couple of them are from here in London. This skirt came all the way from Austria, and another piece that I got came from Germany. And I all bought these in one order, and they just kind of dispatched from wherever they are in the world. Farfetch also has like loads of exclusive pieces, and I love looking at their new in because there's always like some really interesting new designers that I haven't heard of. Like, I've not heard of this woman, Dorothy. I looked into her and it looks like she's been around for a while, okay? So I'm just living under a rock. But still, I would not have known had it not been on Farfetch and I was, searching for a skirt situation. I also have an edit on Farfetch, okay? So if you want to see what I've got my eyes on, all right, or items that I've bought and I love, they are in that edit. There's this amazing Saint Laurent like chain belt that is so simple but still fabulous that I pretty much need to get. My code will be on the screen. The terms and conditions will be below so you can see what applies and what doesn't. But if there's anything you have your eye on, maybe from this video, maybe you've had your eye on for a little while, maybe something from an edit, I don't know, feel free to use the code. Thank you so much, Farfetch, for sponsoring this video. Okay, let's get on with the rest of the haul. So, item number 2. This piece I saw and was like, what is happening here? I love it. It's from Burberry, and it is this glorious Burberry, it's a turtleneck. You know I love a turtleneck, okay? And then I saw this Burberry turtleneck. I was also so intrigued by the material as well because it looked like close to the body but not too like suffocating. And it came, and I am so here for it. It's like a slinky-ish material, which also is great because it means that I don't need to worry about what bra I'm wearing underneath. It's covered, right? This print is all covering it all. Love it. It's got a zip up the neck so it's easy to put on, so I'm not there like worrying that all of my makeup will end up on the inside of the turtleneck. This is a struggle that I have to go through with my turtleneck obsession. I think that it's such like a statement top, but there's something not too shouty about it. You can wear it in the same way as something like a marine sare top is a little like, oh, second skin vibe. But also, you know me, I love to wear this with more simple outfits and have her be like the statement. So we want to give her a place to shine, but we don't want to do it too loud. So I am obsessed with this. I got this in a size small, okay? Burberry tends to come up a little bit big, so keep that in mind. I love it, okay? Now, the thing about this as well is it's not your average Burberry check, right? They have, they have really muted it down, which means that it's a lot easier to match with and not as shouty as you might expect. So, also you'll see I'm going to be styling a lot of the things that I've hauled today. I want to show the options that we can really serve. Bam blazer, give us the strong shoulders, alright? Black, it works. And the thing is, because this is muted, you don't need to worry about having a tiny little bit of pop elsewhere. Maybe it's your bag, maybe it's your shoes. This top makes me feel powerful. Plus the shoulders of this jacket, extra powerful. Honestly, I feel like I can do no wrong. Okay, these I am obsessed with, okay? We have a pair of Prada shoes, but which Prada shoes? You are going to see. Okay, so I saw these on the internet and I was like, oh my gosh, these are cute. Yes, so like, let me get them, let me have a try, let me see what's going on here. They arrived and I'm even more obsessed with them than I thought I would be / I was when I bought them. Oh my gosh, so obsessed with these. You know I love a platform sneaker, okay? I have my Gucci crystal, Ace crystals with the platform. There's something about a platform that just elongates the legs. Look, I'm like 5'5", I'm not the tallest girl around, right? I'm also not the shortest, but if it's on offer, I'll have some height. Why not, you know? They do these in a few different colours. I got the black because I have my all white, like I was just saying, I have my all white Gucci one, so I didn't want to get all white again. I wanted to go something a bit different, so I went for the black. Also, I assumed that this would kind of be a canvas. It's not. Have a look. It's almost like a waterproof. I really don't know what's happening like here. I can't describe to you this kind of like teeth situation. I don't know, but I'm into it 100%. These are going to be amazing for spring, summer. Also, they may actually be perfect with the skirt I just bought. Incredible. I got these in a 39, true to size. The other thing I want to say though, I do have a bone to pick, and this is just generally when buying trainers. Why must I have to relace you? What is happening here? What is happening here? We were doing great here. That's my only gripe. Bit annoying. Not really, because I get some fabulous shoes out of it. They're so like simple and cool and like carefree. You've got the Prada logo in rubber there. Prada is killing it right now, we know this. Remember me? Same look as we've just had, right? Except we're using the Prada sneakers instead because I just wanted to show you how we can change up the looks to make them a little bit more casual, okay? Maybe you're not a heels person. Most of the time I'm not. I'm really a heels person only to dinner and that's about it, okay? However, most of the time, I live in the old sneaks. Maybe you just want to turn out a look in case you run into your snivelling little ex. I don't know, maybe you're going on your first Bumble? Is that what the kids are using? Maybe you're going on your first Bumble date. You want to make a good impression. You want to make sure he knows what he's getting himself into, whilst also feeling comfortable while doing so, okay? Damn it, I love this look. You weren't ready for me to belt it, were you? No, you weren't. But today I thought, let's give it some body. Let's give it a little proportion. And I'm not going to lie to you, I think it's killing it. Platform sneakers, just look at that. It's giving me a little something, isn't it? Don't deny it. These shoes are just amazing. I love them with a monochrome vibe. It just works. They're very comfortable as well, I will say that. Especially with, you know, like platform, you always think like, oh, there's not much bend in it. I'm alright. Oversized jacket. Belt it. They're not ready for you. They're not ready for you. Finally, the last thing I got. I love these so much. And I don't know why they aren't more popular. I believe they're popular in the US a little bit popular, but still nothing crazy. Why aren't these as popular in the UK? These are Alison Lu Lucite hoops. Let me just do a little bit of a demo for you. You know, I have the huge grey ones living, and I knew as soon as I got those, I was like, I'm going to need more. Now, they do them in some like really cool colours, green, orange and all of that. Problem is that I wanted something a little bit more neutral that would go with everything. Hence, I went for the white. This is also the medium size of the hoop. They are so light, so comfortable on the ears. They're so easy and like a little bit fun because they're that like lucite situation acrylic. Quite affordable as well. As I said, everything will be linked below, so go check it out. Thank you so much to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. The code is up on the screen once again. Have a look at the T's and C's below so you know what applies. Go check out my edit, maybe you might see something you like. Go forth, have a discount, live your best life. Let me know what was your favourite item from my haul. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.